What's up, family? Welcome to my channel. I'm Caroline, the Value Queen, and in today's video, I'm listening to Angie Rolling Stones. And so, yeah, without further ado, let's dive in to the video.
Angie, when will those clouds all disappear? Angie, where will it lead us from here?
I think this is a sad song.
With no loving in our souls and no money in our coats, you can say we're satisfied. Angie, you can say we never tried. Angie, you're beautiful, yeah, but ain't it time we said goodbye? Angie, I still love you. Remember all those nights we cried, all the dreams we held so close seemed to all go up in smoke. Let me whisper in your ear, Angie, where will it lead us from here? Oh, Angie, don't you weep. All your kisses still taste sweet. I hate that sadness in your eyes, but Angie, ain't it time we said goodbye? With no loving in our souls and no money in our coats, you can't say we're satisfied. But Angie, I still love you, baby. Everywhere I look, I see your eyes. There ain't a woman that comes close to you. Come on, baby, dry your eyes. Angie, ain't it good to be alive? Angie, you can't say we never tried.
The beginning of the song sounded like a play and like a child's play. Sorry to use that word, but entering into the song, the flow was perfect. Perfect. I really loved it. Let me know more of the Rolling Stones, and let me know your favorite song of them and their hit tracks. And don't forget to like this video. That would be the biggest favor you can give to me right now. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe and like the video. Bye.